Andex Kitchens and Custom Woodworking, welcome to McFadden's Designer Outreach Series. Hey, it's Kyle here from McFadden's. We're here with our Designer Outreach Series. We're here at Andex Kitchens with Rich. Rich, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself, how long you've been in the industry at the company, and kind of the things that make Andex unique?
Been with Andex now for basically 2 tours of duty. I spent 10 or 11 years with them, and then my family, we moved away, and about a year ago I rejoined the company on a remote position. I'm doing a lot of the product development and helping the designers and orchestrate between the designers and the suppliers.
Cool, awesome. What about Andex? What makes Andex so special and so unique?
So a couple things that really come to mind quickly about what makes us unique is 2 things. First, I would say it's our vertical integration. So by that I mean, like, we have our own design team and we have multiple installation crews that are employees, they're not subcontractors. So I kind of feel that's very important, that they only work for us. And they're Monday to Friday installing our kitchen, so they know what our standards are, they know all the nuances, they know how to use the product, and there's no shortcuts. And then everything in between. We make our own crown moldings, we produce our own doors, we do our own cabinets, and we do all our finishing all in this building.
Awesome.
So yeah, that's really a cool feature, and it gives us a really great perspective that we can be watching very closely every step of the way. If something doesn't meet our high standards, we can very quickly react and correct that. So
perfect, yeah.
Having
hands-on control from start to finish.
Exactly, it's everything. If they don't like the look of a door, we can recut one. So that's a great feature. And then second, I would say, would be our approach to design. Quite recently, we've come up with a new tagline, if you will, and we call it "Design for the Way You Live." So what that means is our designers, Themla and Melina, ask the questions, really listen to the customers to find out exactly how they use a kitchen, what pain points they have with their current kitchen, how do they like to use a kitchen, how many people are using the kitchen. Because basically anybody can make a cabinet, but our goal is to actually make a beautiful and functional space that suits our customers' lifestyles. So I think that's really what sets us apart.
Awesome, yeah. That's what this series is all about as well too. So we'll hear a little bit more about the designers, what they have to offer, and what you can expect here at Andex. So, Themla, tell us a little bit about yourself, how long you've been at the company for, and what you do here.
My name is Themla, and I have been with Andex Kitchens since 2017. So actually coming up on 9 years in May. And I have been a kitchen designer for the last 20 or so years.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So a lot of experience then.
A lot of experience.
Yeah, cool, very cool. With over 20 years of kitchen cabinetry design experience, how has your approach evolved over those years, specifically with kitchen cabinetry and what you guys do here at Andex?
Our approach, we have the option now with technology programs such as Mosaic, SketchUp, where we can virtually take clients through their kitchen. We have the option to obviously give builders and contractors fully rendered plans, dimension plans ahead of time, so the client and both the contractors can see the space. So kitchens have dramatically changed over the last 20 years. So initially kitchens were a space where it was just for cooking. It was closed off from the rest of the house so that we couldn't see any mess. Now what we're seeing is a space where it's open to the home. It's open to all family members, where we've got parents cooking in the kitchen, you know, we've got children doing homework, or it's just a very multi-use space. One of the things or items that we're seeing quite a bit recently, and actually over the past few years, is more of a family command, family hub center, where, you know, families are incorporating, you know, big, large screens where they've got their family calendars all on digital screens, pantries that incorporate media for homework and that sort of storage.
More like hidden storage.
More hidden storage, yes.
I've seen a lot of things that we have that we can do with Bloom or Vago or any of the pocket door systems that we have. Where you hide away these little pieces that you don't want to be seen all the time.
Exactly.
But it's super functional when it opens up, and it just looks like a cabinet when it's closed otherwise. So.
Absolutely. And I mean, as far as trends go, we're seeing a lot of larger kitchens, but we're also, when we see a lot of clients that have smaller kitchens, we're trying to maximize the most amount of space. So functional storage in terms of pullouts, things like that, as opposed to just a shelf for storage.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Great. All right, so we're here with Melina. Melina, tell us a little bit about yourself, what you do here at Andex, and how long you've been here for.
Yeah, so I have been at Andex for 3 years. I'm a kitchen designer. Previously, I worked at a commercial millworking company where I was a millwork engineer, and that gave me a lot of experience for, working here. Now, when I do my design drawings, I'm still, keeping in mind how we're going to build things, how things are going to get installed, how they're going to get shipped. So that helps with the production side of stuff. We spend a lot of time going through selections with the customer, picking out colors, layout. So we do, from start to finish.
Awesome, that's great. Stay tuned for more content featuring the designers at Andex Kitchens on our socials.
For Andex Kitchens, you can find us at 1661 Morrison Road in Cambridge, and you can check us out online at www.andexkitchens.com, or you can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. We'll hope to hear you all soon. Take care.